next up we have a gentleman who said during the heating mode everything worked just fine. These last few days as it's gotten warmer, he went into air conditioning mode and the outdoor unit comes on, but the blower will not come on. In heating mode, the blower comes on fine. If he goes to his thermostat and moves it from auto to fan on, it comes on and runs just fine. Could be a few different things. If it's a newer thermostat, it may be something going on with the programming with the thermostat, being that he's able to switch it from auto to on. The wire has to be in place, has to be attached to the circuit board. There could even be something going on, say if it's an aftermarket circuit board, it may be a programming issue with it, maybe a wire misplaced, where instead of having one on the cooling terminal on the board, it may be on circulating, or vice versa. We won't really know till we get there, but we'll drop by, take a look, and see if we can figure it out for him. All right, we can definitely tell the compressor's running. We can feel it and hear it. Don't know if the camera can pick it up, but the blower motor is definitely not running. So we do have an aftermarket circuit board. That is the converter for that ecobee thermostat we saw. So if our thermostat is turning our blower on, or trying to, we should not see 24 volt between red and green. It does not mean we don't have 24 volts. It just means that our 24 volts coming from the unit going to the red is being switched back to the G terminal, green wire, and going back to the board telling it, hey, turn on the blower. So since this is now a circuit on the same side, theoretically, if our thermostat is working, we will not see voltage there. It does not mean voltage is not present, it just means the math of our calculator is the same, so we get a 0. So we have a 0. So it is from the thermostat telling it to run. So my next step would be, let's look at this circuit board. It is an aftermarket guy, and I see a problem immediately. These two terminals are parked for our motor, so they are not in use. So essentially, this next one would be our heat terminal. When the furnace comes on, it's running it at a slightly lower speed. This is our high speed, and it seems to be only on a circulating, yep. I don't know if you can read it, but it says cool on that terminal right beside the heat terminal, the blue wire. And the other one says circulate. So it will only ever come on if the motor is in circulation mode. So if we put our terminal back on C, or cool rather, there's our high-speed blower for cooling mode. So that was all we had going on, is basically somebody just accidentally missed which terminal to put it on. It is a tight little spot and it's hard to read the diagram, but that would be it. So all done. So that is something to keep in mind when troubleshooting. I usually try to start with the most obvious or simplest solution first and then work my way down. In this particular case, the thermostat was a suspiciously new thermostat, so I elected to start there. We did confirm that it was working, doing what it was supposed to, and then we noticed also suspiciously newer integrated control module. After correcting the issue, I did confirm with the homeowner that yes, he had some issues with the furnace earlier in the winter, and someone installed that module for him. It's an easy enough mistake, and we do find things like that quite a lot. You know, in the heat of the moment, you're trying to wire it up. Very hard to read those little terminals. Just missed the wire placement. Started it back up in heating mode, most likely. Everything worked. So hey, we're good. Took off. You know, it can happen. Just always keep in mind when you are installing a thermostat or a control board or a module, if you're cold out and running it in heating mode, yeah, you don't necessarily think about putting it into cooling mode to double check and make sure everything works, but it is definitely something to think about and something not to overlook. You do want to check it both directions just to make sure. But we'll move along to the next one and see what we can get our hands into.